You ready to go?
Alright, this fan is kind of broken. I ripped the chain off. Alright. See this red package?
Uh-huh.
It got broken. I ripped it off. And this blade onto that motor, and this blades have stencils. Here, can we get the camera? Here, I'll show you the top of the motor. And look at this canopy. And look at this dusty blades. Whoa. You know how to record, Papa?
Yeah.
Look at that cap. Alright, give it back.
Oh, you got my hand full.
Are you okay?
I think so. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Is it still recording?
Yeah.
Okay.
This fan doesn't work anymore. See that plug over there? He unplugged it. I thought it was going to be on forever. If it's on forever, then it might get broken. Yeah, too. And here, I'll spin it for you.
Uh-huh. Well, we'll get it fixed when we put a new switch in.
Wow.
Okay?
Alright, and thanks for watching my video.
You're welcome. Be careful.
Okay.
There.